Cats thrive on autonomy and a sense of control in their environment. When they have the freedom to choose where to explore, what activities to engage in, and when to participate in them, their basic needs are more likely to be fulfilled. It's essential to provide access to vital resources, such as cozy hiding spots, fresh food and water, litter trays, comfortable beds, tranquil areas, and a safe outdoor space, without causing them stress or anxiety. Furthermore, cats are most relaxed and secure when they can anticipate both the good and the not-so-good occurrences in their daily lives. Establishing predictable routines for feeding and playtime and being aware of when the household may become busy or noisy can significantly enhance their overall well-being. By allowing our feline friends this sense of control and predictability, we help them lead happier and healthier lives.